Oh, hi everyone, Silas Silence here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something kind of a bit different, but not really. It's still makeup, but today I am going to follow someone else's tutorial, and it is one of my favorite makeup body paint artists ever, and that is Madeyewlook. She's not the one that, she's one of the ones that started me getting into body painting and makeup and stuff. But she's not the first one I ever followed, but I have done plenty of her looks in a way, and I've always been fascinated with this one and really wanted to do it, even though I am probably going to regret this probably halfway through and be like, why in the world did I choose to do one that's going to probably take me 5 fucking hours to do? But, you know what? Why not? Because I've always wanted to try this one. I just haven't done it yet. So therefore the one I am going to do is the sock monkey, because it is terrifying yet cute, and I've always loved the intro to this one, and sometimes when I've introduced people to her makeup, this is the one I show them because I'm just like, I love the intro. So let's start this off. So just, this is why I love the intro. Just hold on.
It was with all good intentions that I had to make this video, to make it adorable, and it was then when I painted on the eyes that I realized this is what nightmares are made of. Good evening. Oh my God, this has to be...
Yes, this is what nightmares are made of, sort of. So let's just get into this. What have I gotten myself into? But I need to take these off, so why not? Let's spend a while doing makeup. I guess I should probably glue down my eyebrows before this, but oh well, this sock monkey is gonna have eyebrows, because it's already too late for that. I am splattering white everywhere through my beard. This is going great.
And I'm drawing small diagonal lines using a light pink body paint, and then matching the other side to make a V using an even lighter pink body paint. Literally repeat the process until you're all filled in all the pink sections. Filling in all the knitting took me about 2.5 hours to do, but once you're doing it and you're actually going, it doesn't seem that long. And if you're not used to body painting, you might want to take a couple breaks while doing this makeup, because all that small little attention to detail can make your eyeballs hurt.
Again, someone tell me why I chose to do this one. I guess let's begin. So much concentration. I'm about halfway through the pink, I believe, ish. I got this section done, and then this half, so we're getting there, maybe. Okay, finally got all the pink little lines done, and now we are going to move on to the white areas. Why again did I choose this makeup? Because I like to torture myself. That is why. Let's continue. Okay, so finally onto the eye, because, you know, everything took forever. I think I've been working on this for about 2 hours now. So, I mean, basically the time that she said that in the video it took her to do all the lines. So, I mean, I'm keeping up. I also really like how the gray and white turned out more than I did the pink, but, you know, that's just that. So, let's do this. Okay, so here's the thing. I can't find the paper I got to make the ears, so therefore I guess this is what I'm ending up with. So I also don't have a white beanie. I have a lot of other colors, but I don't have white. I have green and I have black. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna call this the look. I feel disappointed. I should have been more prepared. I was prepared, but I wasn't. Anyways, so this is my recreation of the sock monkey from Madeyewlook. I am really happy how this kind of turned out. Obviously there's some issues that I wish I wouldn't have outlined the mouth and just started doing the lines, and probably made it a little bit bigger, but this is what I ended up with. I am actually kind of inspired to possibly use this for a show and do a whole body paint, even though that would take forever. If I can get some help doing that, I might do it. And tweak little things that make it a little bit better. But before I go, I just want to, if Lex, you watch this, I just want you to know that I want to thank you for being such an inspiration to me and a lot of other body paint artists and just artists in general. I just want to say that you've been an inspiration for a long time for me, and thank you so much for doing such amazing videos and helping me find my passion if you ever watch this. So yeah, that's just kind of what I wanted to say to you. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know down in the comments below and leave a like, and I can't wait to continue doing makeup. This has kind of re-inspired me to continue. I have a series planned and whatnot, and I'm working on it, but yeah, I'm rambling now, so I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!